Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about research process. What is a research process? So researchers employ data and statistics throughout the research process, involving 5 key steps. First is you have to come up with research questions, and then you develop your hypothesis, data collection, data analysis, and you check your hypothesis whether it's been supported or not. So you must come up with a good research question. For example, you may ask about the social life, that whether income is increased by education, or in other words, does education increase income? So what this means is that you collect data from a number of individuals from your population and your sample, and you collect the information on the levels of income, on the levels of education, and then you formulate a hypothesis. Like you believe that, you hypothesize that education is associated with an increase of income, because with high levels of education their income is increased. They have the opportunity to get high paying jobs as they increase their level of education. So because of many theoretical reasons, you hypothesize that education is positively associated with income. So now after building your hypothesis, you collect data from your sample, and then you analyze data using the statistical means, and then you check whether your hypotheses have been supported or not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Analytica.